Welcome to Spider Farmer, the better way to grow. Got a Spider Farmer Inline Fan and a GGS kit? Let's walk through how to control it using both the app and the GGS Controller, easy, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Let's start with manual mode. Tap the center button to turn the inline fan on or off. The fan runs at a minimum speed of 25%. You can fine-tune the speed by tapping, dragging, or using the plus and minus buttons below. And at the bottom, there's also a switch for your CO2 device. Next up is time slot mode. Here, you can schedule the fan to start and stop at specific times, set your desired running speed and standby speed, and just like before, toggle the CO2 device when needed. Now let's check out cycle mode. What makes this one different is that you can set how long the fan runs, and how long it pauses, now down to the second. You can also set how many times the cycle repeats. Last up, we've got ENV Mode. Here, you can choose to prioritize either humidity or temperature, and the inline fan will automatically adjust to hit your target. If using your phone isn't convenient, you can always control it manually with the GGS Controller. The functions and setup process are the same, just turn the dial and press to adjust. It's a simple, reliable way to manage your grow space, especially if you prefer a more traditional approach, have multiple users at home, or need local control when Wi-Fi isn't stable. That's how easy it is to control your inline fan, whether through the app or with the controller. Like what you see? Make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more grow tips and product updates from Spider Farmer.